All right, guys. While we're on our deal making tour, here we go. We've got the McDonald's one. I don't need McDonald's a whole lot. I get it every couple weeks, when we're traveling and stuff. But wanted to kind of show you guys this one as well. It's just another app that either gives you coupons or even sometimes stuff back. So, of course, McDonald's. I mean, you can already get into where you can order, directly from this app. They've got the McCafe buy five get one free. So even if you just started doing that, there's something free. You can earn rewards. Let's go ahead and kick it in here. You just scan the barcode at the restaurant. Do something as simple as this. You can order it mobilely. Um, but that's, I mean, just another thing. So, of course, you can come over here and you can order and go pick it up. You can see your recents or your more. But let's go into the deals. So, I mean, you right. Of course, here's the top parts. Get your five McCafes. Get one for free. There's something. You can come in here and you can see it expires today. Buy one large fry, get one for a penny. I mean, you wouldn't get that in a store offer, and they've got another one. They got two of them. It looks like 3.99 signature crafted sandwich, free any size soft drink. When you buy something, buy one Happy Meal, get one for $1. You think that exists in a store? I don't think that they do. Free hash browns with purchase of breakfast sandwich. I mean, just look at these free things. Yeah, it's a coupon. It's not like it's putting money in your pocket like some of my other review videos, like the B Dubs one or anything like that. But definitely coupons that again don't exist. If you don't always get coupons sent to your house or anything, occasionally I'll get some McDonald's ones, but just download the app, see what they have. Go in there and say I want the daily deal. Hit come over here and you hit scan at the restaurant. Use the deal. I mean, get a free large fry for a penny. I mean, that's worth it's I don't know what a large fry costs now. Dollar, probably $2, $1.79, somewhere around there. If not even more than that. So get it for a penny. Feed it to your kids, feed it to your husband, whomever. So just another goofy app that ultimately, yes, is putting money in your pocket. So wanted to burn through that, show you guys. I'm sure those daily deals will change, obviously daily, but they'll put new coupons in here every so often, and yeah, yet again, I mean, you just come in here, buy one Big Mac, get one for 25 cents. What? I mean, these are some of the most popular items on the menu, too. So I think it's a no brainer. And just kind of wanted to show you guys. So hope you guys like that video. If you do, go check out my other ones. I've got Chick-fil-A, Whataburger, B-Dubs, and we're going to be rolling out with some other ones here. Um, Definitely thinking about changing the name, like I said in another video. Instead of Unhandy Dave, we're going to call it Deal Master Dave or Daily Deal Day, something like that, because I'm definitely doing some things that put money into people's pockets, and I think that's pretty impressive, and that would be something I would definitely go after. So hopefully, if you guys like this video, hit that like, that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 12-month period. It's not like you have to do it again, but you have to maintain those standards. So this is not an easy thing to do. I'm realizing the day I come in, we're 5-6 months into this thing already, and it's a little challenging. So please hit that subscribe button. We're trying to grow as organically as possible. So thanks for watching, and can't wait to see you guys in the next one. See you guys.